Hey guys, my name is Roopa. I'm 34 years old, a mom of a 2-year-old, an IT professional. I've been dealing with neck pain for over 9-10 years now, and it's just got worse after the pregnancy.
What were things like before working with Move and Power Concierge Physical Therapy?
Before I sought help, um, things were worse. Um, I couldn't carry my baby. It affected me mentally on emotional levels. Um, Dipped my confidence. I was low in confidence. I used to snap out at things, just being very irritable all the time because of the pain. The pain was really bad, and I used to be on drugs all the time, and I just needed help.
What did you try before starting PT that didn't work or solve your problem?
Before I started therapy, I remember I knew I needed help. I remember going to a couple of orthopedic doctors. I just didn't get the right help. One of them suggested I go to a chiropractor. The other suggested that I should get a surgery done, and then the temporary epidural shots, steroid shots would help. But I was not prepared for those.
What impact on your life have you been able to see since working with Move and Power Concierge Physical Therapy?
Ever since I got the right help, I'm more confident. I started CrossFitting. That was one of the goals, at least. Things have been great. Doing things around the house, basic, just the everyday activities that you do at home. My mornings are more hopeful because I remember waking up with pain literally every day for 3 years after I had the baby. So my mornings are great. I no longer wake up with pain now.
Of all the things you enjoyed about working with Move and Power Concierge PT, what did you like best?
It has to be my therapist. He's so supportive, very compassionate, very good at his job. He knows what's best for you. So I was very skeptical in the start because I wasn't sure if, you always are in two minds before you go see a therapist, if the therapist is the right one for you or not. But with Move and Power, it's been a life-changing experience for me.
How has working with Move and Power Concierge PT made you more confident or empowered?
Move and Power, getting the right help is very essential, especially after having to deal with this pain for so many years. That's 9-10 years is no joke. And how has it helped me? It has helped me on be a better person now. I'm able to bond well with my child because I remember snapping out and at every possible thing because the pain was that bad. I'm able to bond well with her. It's made me more confident, more energetic now, and I just feel like my life's back on track.
If someone was on the fence about starting PT with Move and Power, what would you say to them about giving us a try?
There are a lot of people out there have this fear, the fear of unknown before you start something. But I was the same. I was very skeptical, but I started seeing results right after the second or the third session, and I was really amazed at those, seeing those rapid results. Don't wait for so long like I did. 9-10 years is not a joke. So just go out there, get the right help, get in touch with Move and Power. because all you need is the right knowledge and the right guidance, and somebody who is very supportive, and that's what you need.
What benefits did you see with Move Empower's mobile service versus going to a traditional?
Going to a traditional PT clinic was not something that I like, because as you know, at the given time slot, you're not the only patient, so you have 4 patients with you, and as versus mobile clinic, where it's more of a one-to-one session.
What was the #1 thing you wanted to achieve when you began working with Move Empower Concierge PT? And did we help you achieve it?
Oh yes, absolutely. I wanted to be a better person now, because as I said, the core thing here was that it had hit me on emotional grounds, and I just wanted to be not so irritable, not so reactive and impulsive at things. And I feel great right now, because I remember being very specific about my goals before when I got in touch with Move Empower. I remember talking about my goals during the first assessment, and things are great now, because I'm able to CrossFit, I'm able to lift weights, I'm able to take care, do things. I remember driving the car was, the hardest thing. I couldn't move my neck, and it was that bad. So things are back on track now, and I'm really thankful that I got in touch with Move Empower.